Dr. Funnyshirtman, and I'm out of tea. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make more sweet tea. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need when we're making some sweet tea is water. So we're going to have to go find that now. This is no good. We only want the best quality water for our ingredients. Let's keep searching. No. Water's still not good enough. Let's keep searching. Oh, this is exactly what we've been looking for. So you just want to pick yourself up some of this water right here. This is good quality water. It's going to make some great tea. Okay. So now that we've got our water, we just gotta continue searching for the tea bags. Just gonna throw this in my backpack real quick. Set it down in there. For safe keepings. Now we're good to go. On to find the tea bags. So the tea bags can most commonly be found in tree knots. So you're going to want to wander around like a grove such as this and search inside the trees for the tea bags. So like right here, for example, we can look in this big old tree for, yep, there's some down in there. Okay, so we found a tea bag. So we're going to want to keep searching around for about 3 or 4 more of these. So let's keep looking. Yep. Found another. And here's another. This one's got a little moss on it. Just gonna add some flavor. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, here's one more. Okay, and that should do it. So now we're gonna want to take all these tea bags and this water we've got and head back home to start mixing the ingredients together. To get nice and boiling. While we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and take our jug. Make sure to grab some sugar. About this much. And not get it nice and sweet like we like it. So we're just gonna pour all this into the jug like so. Here we go. Just get the sugar and get it on this. So we start pouring it. Hold it to make it steady. We just pour it. We just pour it. Pour it a little more. Pouring. Last little bit till it's all out. That's pretty much finished. So we just hold this aside now and we wait the rest of the tea to start boiling up. Now that it's good and boiling, we just cut this puppy off and throw those tea bags right in there. Now that your tea's steeped a while, we're going to come over here back to our jug. And we're going to just gently pour that nice warm tea in there. There we go. And then we're just going to fill this up with some water here. Just any old water. Don't worry about the water really, it's not that important. And just keep filling this up. Yeah. Oh boy. Set that to the side. We're going to fill the jug up the rest of the way with some water. Really, like I said, it doesn't matter. Any water will do. Water's not that important. Okay, now got it nice and filled up here. Put our cap on and shake it around. Mix up all that sugar we put in there. We're going to grab ourselves a glass. Pour us a cup of tea. That's all there is to it, really. Now you can enjoy yourself a nice glass of sweet tea.